So I received an email from, what's the name? Jose Riela Barcela. Uh, he said he's from Spain. So the title of the mail is Peugeot 406 doesn't run smooth after timing belt replacement. So I think on the mail he had to do maybe Google translation or something. Anyway, it means, hello, I have a Peugeot with the same problems you comment on. You could tell me what your solution was, or what was the problem. Um, I'm not sure. I'm not sure I understand, but by reading the title, I could remember I did a video, was it last week, on somebody from Germany that changed timing belt on a Peugeot 407 with 2.2 liter petrol EW12J4 engine. So the engine stopped running properly after he changed the timing. So I told him to go back to check that the symptom is signifying loss of, not necessarily communication, but the synchronization between the camshafts and crankshaft is distorted, meaning the timing is not properly set. So he did days later and sent me a video showing that he has done it and it's working well. Either it was a video or message, something like that. So he did it. So he went back. Okay, he actually showed me he did a video. He showed me the video to show that truly, just like I told him, that the timing was off. So I believe that's what this person is also asking, because you can see it's the same history. They changed the timing belt and the engine stopped running very well. So, but you didn't mention which engine model. So, but whichever one, whether it's petrol or diesel, I would suggest you go back as well. If you can't do it yourself properly, find an expert, somebody who understands Peugeot, modern Peugeot engines very well, who will be able to do it for you. You will let him check your timing to be sure it's correctly set. If you don't do it well, the engine will not run well. Then you also check other things in case maybe when you were changing the timing belt, you disconnected something, or touched something that is now affecting the proper running of the engine. Of course, you can always scan the vehicle. Just like I told the other guy, he scanned it, but he was not using the Peugeot Planet PP2000. So I told him I would have preferred that, because if you use the PP2000, it will tell you if the timing is off. It will tell you. So if you have scanned the car, you will see that yes, your crankshaft image, depending on the engine model, it might show engine reference, cylinder reference sensor, uh, what's it called, open circuit, stuff like that, or camshaft position sensor, open circuit, this and that. So go back and check. I think that's where your problem lies. Unless I don't understand what you're actually trying to ask. I understand Spain is not English speaking country, so probably I don't know. I just want to, but I'm working with the title of your mail, so I want to believe you are asking the same question the guy from Germany asked, and eventually he took my advice and solved the problem for him. So I believe it will be the same symptoms and issue. So let me hear from you when you checked, and if it solved your problem, I would like to get a feedback. All right, thanks.